How's it going, guys? Natalie here from Serpwizz. Welcome back to our channel. And if you have been following this series of tutorials for Ahrefs, then you would know that we have been discussing or we started discussing about the extra tools and features that come when you sign up for a plan with Ahrefs. So we have previously done domain comparison and batch analysis, and today we will be doing link intersect. So, if you want to check all of these, you can definitely go ahead and hop on over to ahrefs.com. Just scroll to the bottommost part of the page, and you would see all this footer, and you would be given access to information about these tools as well as these free SEO tools that are available in Ahrefs. So here we go to link intersect, and we will be talking about what it does and why it's an important feature with your Ahrefs tool. So link intersect is a feature from Ahrefs that allows you to discover missing links opportunities. So if ever your competitors, right, they have backlinks linking to their web pages, but you discover that a specific powerful and established page is not yet linking to you. So that's already an advantage of your competitor. So what you want to happen is to even out the competition and have that same web page link back to you as well. So that's what intersect does. It finds those web pages and leads them to you so you can rectify the situation. So this is how, or this is what link intersect looks like. So as you can see here, for targets versus surround table. So this is the inputted domain, as you can see here, and then these are the competitors, and you would see the referring domain right here, as well as the domain ranking, Ahrefs ranking, and as well as all these results. according According to this result, there's 169,203 domains not linking yet to surround table. So that's something that you would want to work on. For example, you put your own domain here, you would get the result of all those domains not linking to you yet. So you can either take action for it, maybe work on linking those sites to you so that you even out the competition with the other web pages that support the same products and services as you do. So that's a very helpful feature that we have, or that Ahrefs have, and you will be able to have access to this feature once you sign up with a plan from Ahrefs. So just to give you um an idea of what their plans and pricing looks like, here you go, and then as well as the features. So if you're interested, definitely hop on over to ahrefs.com, sign up for an account, choose which one of the plans you want to subscribe in, and then fully enjoy and utilize all of the tools that they offer. So as for us, we want to thank you for watching, and please do tune in because we will be doing more of these extra tools and features, and we hope to see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.